Hi, I'm Brendan Lamam, Chartered Financial Planner at Rockwealth. For me, the main benefit of financial planning is the peace of mind that it provides. A financial planner will work with you and help you identify your key priorities in life and help answer whether your financial situation will allow you to live the life that you want. And if not, we can help you understand what you need to do to change that. A financial planner can give a third-party perspective on your financial situation and give you unbiased advice, helping you to make good financial decisions. We provide you with ongoing support to help you adjust to changes in legislation, changes to tax, to the investment landscape, and help you stay on track as your goals and circumstances change over time. We help simplify complex matters, taking that time and stress away from you, and by working with you on an ongoing basis, we can provide you with peace of mind that you're doing everything that you can to meet your objectives.